In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Grok AI with custom instructions. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to access Grok's customization area, and what to expect when a plan upgrade is required to unlock those options. First, open your preferred browser and head to grok.com. This brings you to Grok's home base where all the settings and features live. If you're on desktop, the layout typically includes a sidebar. On mobile, some options may be tucked into menus, but the navigation is the same. Next, look for the profile icon at the bottom left of the interface. It usually appears as a small avatar or your initials. Click that profile icon to reveal your personal options. This is the quickest path to account-related controls and the place where you'll be able to reach your settings without digging through multiple menus. From that profile menu, click on Settings. The settings area is where Grok groups everything you can adjust to make the tool fit your preferences, from account details to privacy, and most importantly for us today, personalization. Think of it as your command center for how Grok behaves when responding to you. Inside Settings, find and click Customize. This is the section dedicated to shaping Grok's tone, style, and default behavior using custom instructions. Here's where you'll typically define how formal or casual you want replies to be, what kind of structure you prefer in answers, and any standing preferences you want Grok to keep in mind. The Customize area is designed to make your directions clear and consistent, so your conversations start the way you like every time. If you see a prompt to upgrade, that means certain personalization features require a paid plan. Click Upgrade your plan to view the available options. The upgrade screen outlines what each plan includes, and unlocking customization ensures your instructions persist and more advanced options become available. Take a moment to confirm what's covered in each tier and choose the one that matches how deeply you want to personalize Grok. When you complete the upgrade, you can return to the Customize section to make full use of those settings. That's it. You've navigated to Grok, opened your profile, entered settings, moved into Customize, and if needed, upgraded your plan to unlock personalization. With access to Customize, you can set clear, evergreen instructions that guide Grok's voice and priorities, helping you get answers that match your workflow every time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tailoring Grok to fit you.